Welcome to a breathtaking journey through the untamed realms of the animal kingdom. In this enthralling documentary-style expedition, we unearth the forgotten, the captivating, and the potentially perilous aspects of Earth's extraordinary creatures. Our adventure begins with a plunge into the depths of Animal Enigma. While we're familiar with many species, the natural world is teeming with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. Discover the elusive secrets of cryptic animals, puzzling animal behaviors, and the mind-boggling adaptations that defy conventional understanding. As we journey deeper, we embark on a microscopic exploration of the animal world. While we marvel at the giants, the smallest creatures often go unnoticed. Explore the hidden wonders of microscopic animals, uncover the incredible world of symbiosis, and witness the crucial role these tiny beings play in Earth's ecosystems. Our voyage takes us into the heart of danger as we delve into the world of venomous and powerful animals. While awe-inspiring, these creatures can also pose a significant threat. Encounter the venomous serpents, the formidable predators, and the remarkable strategies employed by animals to survive in the wild. Our transformational journey extends to the precipice of biodiversity. Earth's ecosystems are facing unprecedented challenges that affect both wildlife and humanity. Confront the alarming issues of habitat loss, poaching, climate change, and the urgent need for conservation efforts to preserve our planet's incredible biodiversity. Our odyssey concludes with a reflection on humanity's intricate relationship with animals. Beyond scientific intrigue, our connection with animals runs deep in culture, ethics, and even spirituality. Explore the history of animal-human bonds, the ethical debates surrounding animal welfare, and the ways in which animals continue to shape our lives. As we conclude our mesmerizing expedition through Earth's vast animal kingdom, we emerge with a profound appreciation for the diversity, mysteries, and challenges of the natural world. Beyond the familiar faces of nature documentaries, we uncover the astonishing tapestry that defines our shared planet. By embracing the enigmatic, celebrating microscopic marvels, respecting the power and danger of certain species, championing biodiversity conservation, and understanding our complex relationship with animals, we actively engage in honoring the incredible wonders of the animal kingdom.